you. Oh my god, this is so different, so weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be revealing my natural hair, and here she is. I thought I'd come back on camera looking a bit more put together than I did on the previous clip, so that's why I look like this. I probably still look greasy and a hot mess, but it's better than the last clip, so yeah. But this is my natural hair. This is definitely very different. This is very different for me, but I'm ready to embark on my natural hair journey, so I hope you guys stick around for it. It's not much to say. I just wanted to show you guys how I actually look with my natural hair. So this is it, and this is also a felt twist out. Don't judge me. I'll get the hang of it. It's a learning process, it's a journey, but I hope you guys stick around for more natural hair videos, which I will be doing. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.